In today's video, I'm going to teach you easy appointment scheduling with Microsoft Bookings. By the end, you'll have a polished booking page your clients can use to grab time on your calendar without the back and forth. First, open Microsoft Bookings. The quickest way is to go to bookms in your browser or open the Bookings app from Microsoft 365. Sign in with your work or school account and you'll land on the Bookings home experience. Next, choose Create Meeting Type. This is where you define exactly what people can book with you. You'll see two sections, public and private. Public meeting types appear on your booking page for anyone who has the link. Private types stay hidden and can only be scheduled by people who have the direct link. Pick the approach that matches your use case, then click the plus sign to add a new meeting type in that section. Now configure the details. Give your meeting a clear title your audience will recognize, add a category if you organize your services that way, and write a short description that sets expectations. Set the duration to match the real time you need and choose a location. If it's in person, add the physical address or room. If it's online, select Teams meeting so Microsoft Bookings automatically adds a secure Teams link to each appointment. Next, set your availability. Choose the days and hours you want this specific meeting type to be bookable. You can align it with your normal working hours or customize it for certain days. Bookings automatically checks your Outlook calendar and will block out times when you're already busy so you won't be double booked. For accuracy, make sure your time zone looks right before you continue. Open the advanced options to fine tune the experience. Add buffer time before or after meetings to prevent back to backs and leave space for notes or travel. Set a minimum notice period so people can't grab last minute slots that catch you off guard. Then configure email reminders for both you and the attendee. Choose when they send and what they say so everyone arrives prepared with the right context or materials. When everything looks good, publish and share. Save your changes, then click share to copy your booking page link. You can paste that link into an email, your social profiles, your website, or your email signature so people always know where to book you. Before you distribute it widely, open the link in a browser to preview the client experience and confirm your times, descriptions, and reminders are exactly how you want them. That's it. You've created a streamlined, professional scheduling flow with Microsoft Bookings.